Today's video, as always, is about driving fails, mistakes, how not to drive, and bad drivers. Don't forget the bonus video at the end. The white car had been driving crazy, passing people on the shoulder. He almost hit me and then forced his way in behind me, striking the truck. They eventually pulled over. A few minutes later, the driver of the white car took off. Video was provided to the truck driver and the local police for a hit and run. My wife having a moment after nearly being backed into by someone not paying attention.
What's that for? We ain't even looking. Go around.
What? Why are you cussing me?
She has the nerve to flip the bird while still in my lane going around the roundabout. This happened the day of upload in Cork, Ireland.
Fucking sticks her finger up like the fucking clown. Idiot.
Almost a terrible accident when a black BMW passed myself and 6 others' cars on a blind left curve on the 79 South heading west. I was pulling a trailer so I couldn't swerve to make more room. It was his lucky day. The Jeep that passes me runs the light so late that it turns green after she passes the line, and she sideswipes a car turning left.
Yes, they did. They just wrecked.
Sipping on sweet tea, shot me a little like a shooting star. So I grabbed a beer and my old guitar. Then we sat around till the break of dawn.
What are you doing?
Our favorite song.
Yeah, no shit, buddy.
Young driver couldn't handle the speed and power of the car. Every day there were a lot of this reckless and dangerous driver on the road in Auckland. Even though I had honked to warn him, this driver was still neglecting and changing lane regardless. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. I missed the guy in the traffic circle. My dash cam saw them, but I didn't.
I locked that up. Where'd you come from, honey?
After enjoying a fantastic dinner with our wonderful friends, we thought the night couldn't get any better. But then, lo and behold, we spot a colossal teddy bear fastened to the rear of a sports car. Just when we thought the evening couldn't get any more memorable.
Hi, Teddy! My crush to the other car.
This is showing off. Wait, I'm gonna get it.
That is so awesome. That's so cool.
And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. And watch till the end. Thank you for watching, and don't be shy. Leave a comment under the video.